Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to change recording folder and file name in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia. To change the recording folder and file name, click on Record and it will open a recording bar. From this bar, you have to change some settings. Click on Tools at the top. Then click on Preference. And from here, click on Files. Now here is three options: Output file name, Default output folder, which is output folder where we want to export our file, and the other ones is temporary storage file. So now, on the output file name option, select prompt file name. After that, click on this folder icon on default output folder option and choose your desired folder where you want to save the file. Then click on OK to confirm. Now for a testing purpose, record your video for a second and end it. After that, you can rename the recording file name. After changing the file name, click on Save. Now if you go to the output folder, you can see our video has been saved. We have successfully changed the recording folder and file name in Camtasia. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.